Hi, I'm Martin from CTech, and I'm going to show you our game changer and breakthrough in the field of waterproofing and tanking for bathrooms. So I want to introduce you to BW1, which is Bathroom Wet Room 1, which is a new technology based on CT1 and BT1 threadbid polymer solutions that are used extensively by plumbers and bathroom installers. So BW1 is a one-part solution for the tanking and waterproofing of shower rooms, bathrooms, steam rooms and saunas. You simply roll it on. It has a lovely creamy consistency and really easy to apply. The first big thing is you put it on without priming any surface. You do not use a primer with this. In fact, a primer can be an inhibitor for contact with the surface. So you're using an inductive board, plasterboard, timber, fibre cement board, render, finished plaster, concrete, steel, PVCs. It'll bond to any of those surfaces that BT1 and CT1 will bond to without priming. One of the major unique factors with it that are different from anything at the minute, everybody's using these, and the systems that are in the market at the minute, the conventional systems, are your fabric membrane and your water-based membrane. Fabric membranes are a great system, but when you're going around corners, unless your surfaces are completely uniform, you're cutting, you're snipping, it's not difficult, it just takes time to do. You're putting on gaskets and corners. Your water-based one has one major weakness, it's flexibility. BW1 is incredibly flexible. That's 2 coats, 0.8 millimeter, to completely a waterproof system, and it's highly deformable. It's an elastomer technology, and it constantly wants to return to the form that it started in. And it will stretch and stretch and stretch. You can hold it like that for a week, come back, and it'll go in. So it will work with all the thermal changes and expansion and contractions in the bathroom setting and in the construction setting. The other thing is, it's incredibly strong bond to all of those surfaces. In our RETAG 022 tests, when we went to separate them again after the test, it pulled the face off the product. It was that strong. So you put one coat on, and 55 minutes later, in Blue Peter style, when it has gone tacky, you put the second coat on. So one coat on vertically, and the second coat on horizontally, or vice versa. So joints. When it comes to joints, there is no tape system with this. You put a heavy paint with a paintbrush, you just paint it on heavily into the joint, up to about a 2 millimeter, at the most 3 millimeter joint. When you put it on heavily, you get this. So that replicates the tape that you're trying to stick on if you're using a tape system first. What you don't have then is trying to fold this and get it into the corner with your product. If you want to use tapes, that's perfectly fine. If that's what you're comfortable doing, you can put that, paint that on, push your tape in, and then roll over the top. It's compatible with the tape system, but you don't need to use it if you put enough product. What happens if the joint in the corner or between the wall and the floor is more than 2 to 3 mil? You use BT1. You put your BT1 into the joint, and then you either paint or roll over.
Once it's dry.
They are compatibly the same product. So they are all threadbid technology, polymer-based sealants, adhesives, and waterproofing kits. So they're the same product. So you can put it on like this, or you can put it on, let it fully cure, then paint over the top. Or you can put on your BW1 and then put your BT1 over the top. The other key factor as well is BT1 is our bathroom sealant that is enhanced with antibacterial agents to prevent mold and mildew and fungal growth. BW1 has exactly the same ingredients in it, so it will prevent mold and mildew from the wall coming through into the finished area, or you apply BT1 on the face, and together the two of them provide a clean environment. The other thing as well is there's no solvents in this product or this product. There's no smell of it. You want to be my guinea pig? And you want to... Yeah, go ahead. So there's no smell of, there's no release of VOCs, no gases. You can use it in a confined space. You can use it in homes where people have asthma and allergies. They can remain in the home. So when you open the product, you don't get that really strong pungent smell from it because there's no VOCs or gases in it. From you start your project and you do your first coat on and your second coat on, installation time is around 1.5 at the most 2 hours. When you have finished, you allow 16 to 18 hours curing time, and then you tile with any cement-based tile adhesive. With any size of tile, as long as the cement-based tile adhesive will hold the weight of that tile, it will bond incredibly well to the BW1. So what we have designed is a one-part, fast, secure, waterproof installation that reduces time, reduces cost, and helps you get to the next project quicker.